Scoring big in language. Understanding. Score a home run. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, score a home run. This phrase is not only popular in sports but has also found its way into everyday English conversation. Let's break it down together, and I hope by the end of this video, you'll be able to use this phrase like a native speaker. The phrase, score a home run, comes directly from the sport of baseball. In baseball, a home run is scored when a player hits the ball so well that they can circle all the bases, ending up back where they started, without being stopped or put out by the opposing team. It's a moment of significant achievement and often changes the course of the game. But how did a baseball term make its way into everyday language? That's what makes English so vibrant and dynamic. Phrases from specific contexts often broaden in meaning, capturing the essence of a particular success or victory in general terms. When someone says they've scored a home run in a context outside of baseball, they're saying they've achieved a significant success or made a major accomplishment. It could be nailing a job interview, making a significant sale, or even winning someone's heart. The phrase conveys not just success, but a triumph that's both impactful and somewhat spectacular. It's important to note that this phrase carries a connotation of not just any victory, but a standout success. Just like in baseball, where a home run is a highlight reel moment, using this phrase in everyday conversation suggests an achievement beyond the ordinary. To help you understand how to use score a home run in conversation, let's look at a few examples. I heard you presented your project to the board. How did it go? It was amazing. I totally scored a home run. They loved it. Asking her out was a nerve-wracking experience, but it turns out I scored a home run. We're going out this weekend. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various situations, ranging from professional achievements to personal milestones. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, score a home run. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about embracing the cultural nuances that make the language rich and expressive. I hope this video helps you hit your own linguistic home runs in English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.